Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to embed a YouTube video here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Embedding a YouTube video in Canva is a straightforward process that can enhance your design and communication in several ways. Once you are logged into your account, go to the project that you are working with or open the design that you are gonna put the YouTube video. In my case, I'm going to click on the create a design, open the YouTube thumbnail, and from here, I'm gonna work with a specific file in my mind. All right. What I'm going to do is basically go to the left side panel of your dashboard. I want you to hover to the apps right here. In the apps, I want you to type in Embed. Okay, click on Embed. And all I have to do is click on the Embed option. What will happen is you can add video, music, and online media to your designs. Video, music, media, embedded with all this handy app. Make sure your next presentation sync. All right, all I have to do is click on open. Now, you can click on any icon below to view an example. If you click on the YouTube video right here, that's going to be that. But of course, I'm not gonna use this because what I'm going to do is I'm gonna paste the web link here, which is our Deep Laughs YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications on our latest content. I'm going to click the URL of our Deep Laughs YouTube channel. And of course, paste it on the Embed app in Canva. Okay, I'm going to click on it. Add to the design. Alright, so why not? How about this one right here? Click add to design. Of course, go to YouTube. Alright, so here it is. The Deep Laughs YouTube channel. All right, let me put it here. As you can see, using this, I can use this to explain complex concepts or ideas effectively than text alone. All right, especially if I'm promoting our YouTube's channel. This is one of the handy features. And by embedding YouTube videos in your Canva, of course, you can create more engaging, informative, and visual appealing content that resonates with your audience and effectively conveys your message. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.